Hello guys, this is Kathy with Kincaid Special Creations coming to you with another 2026 and 2026. Today I am going to tackle my laundry room. Let me show you how bad it looks. Right here it is coming into the laundry room. There it is. We usually put that thing down over the cold days. But this is what I need to clean up today. I'll put you on the tripod and let you see. Now, I'm going to clean this up simply because, one, it needs it. It's just filthy. But two, because I don't want to have to do it when we're getting ready to move it. Eventually, the washer and the dryer will be there where the refrigerator and the freezer are. Wish me luck. Alright guys, let's start here. Find some stuff to clean with. Been a while since I've been in here. I guess I wasn't recording any of that, guys, but I cleaned this top shelf here, got it all down, and I'm throwing all this stuff away, all this right here. So I'm going to put you back on pause and we'll be right back. Okay guys, the next section I'm going to be working on is from the top up there all the way down to here, and on both sides. I'm not going to keep the camera running simply because I got to get up and down, and quite frankly the tripod's in the way, but I'll show you the finished results after I get it done. I'll be back. Okay guys, I spared you the spot of me climbing up on this chair to clean over top of the, but look, no dust bunnies. I moved my pressure canner from on top of, over top of the thing into the pantry where the rest of the canners are at. So, looking better. I still have this spot right here and the floor to do. Floor is nasty, but I'm going to get into this right here. Right there. And you can watch that because I don't have to climb too much on the chair for that one. I don't think you can see me, but I'm just washing off the wash machine so I have some place to set some stuff. I'll give it a good scrub after I get done. Okay. Let's get in here. Let me get me a garbage bag because I'm going to start throwing stuff away. There we go. Just leave that sitting right there. Let me lift you up here a little bit, or down a little bit, and over, so you can see where I'm working. This goes on an O-Cedar mop, which I have, but it's the wrong size. So it'll go in the yard sale. That can go away. I need a heating pad, I'll get a new one. My pocketbook's trying to attack me. I don't know what that was, but it's in the trash now. A bunch of trash bags for my little trash cans. Cool. Put them up there. The rest of them, maybe I'll find them. Socks don't have mates to them. Out of here they go. Ooh, cleaning rags. Alright. Totally awesome. Trash. Those are all going to have to go in the laundry and be washed up to be used, but they're still good cleaning rags. I really shouldn't let my house get like this, guys, because I have asthma. Cleaning it up's not good for me. I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and clean up this floor. As you can see, looks terrible. I don't know if you can see it or not. All this stuff over here. The new hip mop head won't fit that. So be careful when you're buying new stuff. Be sure to get the extras or replaces while you're buying the new. Because chances are they may not. They'll improve it and won't redo the old ones. All this is going to get washed, guys. So on the porch. This is all trash. Those gloves can be washed. Those can go to the she shed. all stuff that was supposed to be to the shoe shed. Little bowling pin. That box is trash. Okay. So now, okay, let me get you up where you can see me working the shelf. There we go. That is the last thing I'm going to work on today. So where did my rusty trusty go? These things come in handy, guys. When you can't reach places. There you go. Or you're too afraid to climb like me. You don't have stuff out where you can see it, you're not going to use it, guys. I'm just telling you. Now those gloves. That one is gloves and heat wrap. Okay, this is light bulbs, specialty ones. These up here. This up here is the cleaning stuff. Put the light bulbs down here. Both of those are light bulbs. These are shoe covers. We need to use these out in the yard to keep the mud off our shoes when we have to go somewhere. Keep them where I can find them. These are gloves. Work gloves. This is cleaning stuff. So you can go in there. Okay. That is a thing of tissues. These are shelf liners, which I will put in here when we put it in the new space. Put this back here so we can find them. Okay. All right. So this goes back beside the dryers, right next to our heater so we can find them. These all need to be washed, but they'll go right here for right now. That don't belong in here. This 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 can go in the trash. Okay. Those go up yonder. Okay. Let me keep moving stuff. Okay. Guys, I am fixing beans for supper and they smell delicious. Well, here is about 30 more items to go in my get rid of bag. So we'll just put them right here to be thrown away. Sorry. Okay, let's see. I got another trash bag if I need it. Okay, let's see. I'll put the dirty clothes here on the floor. And I'll wash them all up. I got a load in the washer. I have to put in the dryer before I can put any more in the washer. So all those have to be washed. Here's me another trash bag. Stay up there. Alright guys. Let me put the final touches on this. And I'll bring you in for a final look-see of the clean. And now remember, when I'm doing this is only to get the dust and stuff off so I don't cough so heavy. We are planning on moving this laundry room into where the pantry's at. And then turning this into a freezer room. Now, the reason that is that I'm not going to do any more is because once we move all the furniture out, I got to give it a deep, deep, deep mopping. So I will take care of that at that point. I'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, we are now finished with what we're going to do today. But I just want to let you know what we have got done and where we're going. So let me turn you around. Look guys, look how much better it looks. No more dust bunnies. No more stuff. This floor needs to have a little bit more soaking on it, but look at that. Especially look on this side. Look how good. No more dust bunnies up there. The dryer is now all cleaned off. Everything is doing good. Alright guys, that's this week's installment of 2026 and 2026. Just wanted, whoops, let me get my finger out of the camera. Just wanted to let you know I'm still working. We'll bring you along for next week's version next week. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.